Okay, so I just cut a little bit out, just so you wouldn't have to watch the oil drain, and yeah. So you got the oil filter here. Yeah, I just want to take it out. A bit of oil should drain from there. And yeah, the pan's in place. There's these fancy things that you can get, like those filter wrenches. And yeah, so we want to make sure on this with the oil filter is this ring. I'm gonna keep this ring right here. That's around the top. If I can get it out. See, this stays on. For the new ring, that's the. I want to keep that. Put it on the new filter, and then yeah, put that on there. A little bit more drain, and I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't get it all over my phone. Yeah, just set you down. Okay. I guess the ring might still be on. Oh no. I lost it. Yeah. Just trying to feel around for the plug, if I could turn the flashlight on. Come on. There's not any flash on this. Well, that's dandy. But anyway, so you got the filter. Hopefully this fits. If it doesn't, I'll be pissed. But you got the filter. And then the new filter, you want to take your oil. Take your oil and dump a little bit of it on the ring, like that. And kind of spread it around with your hand. Yeah. Try to get this on. Hopefully I can get it on, because this, again, it's kind of weird in the position that it's in. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just sit you there, do it with two hands. Anyway, right now I'm just trying to feel out the filter's location. Or yeah. Hopefully this is the right kind. I don't know. Right there. Yep, I got it. So yeah, so just replace the filter, because the filter is what keeps the oil free of impurities and other stuff. So when you get it, so what you want to do when replacing a filter is, when you feel it tight, do a 3/4 rotation. If you feel it start to get tight, give it a 3/4 rotation, And yeah, that's changing the filter. I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't get, again, I don't get oil all over the phone. Yeah, this is gonna take a long time to upload, so whatever. Okay, I guess I gotta just clean my phone after. Okay, so and then you can replace the drain plug now after all the oil is drained out. And you might want to replace the washer that came with it. I don't even know. Yeah, you want to replace the washer that came with it, or clean it really well, but it's recommended that you replace it. You can sit there again. I will replace. Just gonna replace the drain plug. I can find the hole right here. I'm dumb. See if freaking. See if the filter or the washer dropped in there. Doesn't feel like it, so I'm gonna go. See if I can find a washer. It's gonna. Ugh. Okay, so I replaced the washer on this. Now I'll just be replacing it, still dripping a bit, but can't be perfect, so just gonna replace it. Yeah, so I'm just replacing the drain plug right now, and yeah, you tighten it up. This one you want pretty tight because that's what holds all your oil in place. Oh, jeez. So yeah. And now you can start pouring oil in the here. Oh jeez. Okay, so got the filter, got the oil, got some crap on my pants. So just pour. Start out like you just pour in, like it doesn't really matter until you start nearing the limit of your car's oil capacity, I guess. Just, yeah. So once you think you're about ready to full on oil, or yeah, full on oil, you want to pour a bit more. Yeah, this is almost 5 liters, so yeah, so then want the oil to settle. Just clean this up real quick, yeah. So yeah, wait for the oil to settle. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's not about entertaining, it's about doing it. Yeah, wait for the oil to settle. Stick her in there. Pull it out, check the level. Could use a bit more, so yeah, put a bit more in there. That would probably be good. And then wipe this off again. Wait for it to settle. And then, yeah, stick it back in there. Check the level, and it's right at the fill line, so that's good. So that's it. I guess there's a few things that you should probably... Yeah, so don't do that. That was stupid. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, just screw this in there. Yeah, you sit there for a bit while I screw this in. That one doesn't have to be as tight because, again, it's not holding all your oil in your engine. Okay, and then what you do now, you go start up your car. Hands are kind of slippery from the oil. Start up the car.
For everyone with miraculous rehabilitation center.
So yeah, then you gotta let it run for a bit. I'll just clean up a bit while it's running. So the tools that I was using was just, I want to say 15 millimeter ratchet, and then 15 millimeter socket on a ratchet to unscrew the drain plug. So yeah, just flexing with my socket set a bit, you know, you gotta do that. But yeah, other tools that you can use would be like that filter wrench, but I couldn't find one, so I just did it by hand. It doesn't really matter as long as you get the filter in there tight and as long as you can get it off. So yeah, so just look for any oil leaks. Doesn't look like it. So yeah, that's how you change the oil. Yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I didn't forget anything, but yeah, that's it. See ya.